Alright, so today we're just doing a bunch of painting. But we started painting the bedrooms. We got the ceilings done in the last video, y'all seen all that. But we've already started painting in here, in all the bedrooms. Quick update on the closets. Bill, as you can kind of see in here, Bill has built shelves in here. I've got to caulk everything and I've got to fill nail holes before we can paint the closets. But I'm going to do that today. So to fill in the nail hose, I'm just using focus. You don't see that? You don't see that? I'm just using this nail hole filler spackle stuff. Hope this is the right stuff. I think it is, but that's what we're using to fill in these holes. Something that you wouldn't have to do, but we're doing it because it'll look better when we get it painted and stuff. The caulking you wouldn't have to do, but it just gives it a really clean look, and I like the look. So it's a little extra work, but it'll look good. So. Got all the corners caulked here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Get this light in here so you can see this. But it just cleans up the corners real nice. So I caulked all around here. So I caulked all around this shelf, all around this, even against the wall here. I didn't worry about the top part because, you know, no one's going to see that. But all around here. So it's kind of hard to see in the video, but I'll show you. This is just some all-purpose dab caulk that I actually got it for the windows. To caulk around the windows. It's 40-year life, just a silicone caulk. You can paint this, it's waterproof. You can paint it in 30 minutes, it's flexible. It's pretty good stuff. So just a good all-around caulk. So anyways, but we got both closets done. We got Levi's closet done. So now I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit, and I'm going to help Elizabeth paint. She's painting the edges going around the walls, and we're going to do another coat in both bedrooms. I'm going to start on that, and then we'll go into the dining room probably next. I think that's where she's at right now. So. Oh yeah.
Can't tell if it's sitting square or not.
Looks like it is. I don't know.
Pretty close right there, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. See how it stops? It goes in there. It stops right there.
Yeah. Washer, and then one of these right here.
Okay. Just one.